right here.
Yes, we start it right here.
That's right.
There we are. Okay. Happy birthday, John.
That's right.
Right?
Heck yeah.
Hey.
Come on, baby.
Hey, where's the zoom on this? It should have a zoom. Whoop. I don't want to lose them.
Yeah.
On, off. What's that thing? I don't know, I guess I just have to do it like that. Mine's got a zoom on it that's real easy to do. But I didn't bring it because I just do it with my camera now on my phone. Did you see the video we took in Daytona? Yeah. Yeah. Scaled the wall. I guess because it's Wednesday. People probably really object to people parking on their lawn and stuff too.
Well, these are all rental cameras.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
So I guess nobody can stay there unless they except the owners.
And they're not here.
Yeah.
They're in Florida.
Yeah. Nothing like out-of-state landlords. Oh! I forgot how to...